Hi, I'm Samiha Najah, Senior Lecturer in the Computing Department at Middle East College. I'm here to give you a quick information about a career in artificial intelligence. Are you fascinated by cutting-edge technological solutions and innovations? Are you seeking for an occupation with high demand in the 5 to 10 years? Looking for a career where you can earn substantial income in the future? Then AI is maybe an excellent choice for pursuing your high studies and starting a successful career. Artificial intelligence is the science that empowers computer systems to mimic human intelligence such as decision making, reasoning, text processing, and visual perception. Why should we learn about AI? AI is a revolutionary field that is expected to change the world more than anything in the history of mankind, even more than electricity, said the AI oracle and venture capitalist Dr. Kei-Fu Lee in 2018. According to the findings of the World Economic Forum in their recent study on future jobs, automation is going to take over the existing jobs and subsequently many new jobs will be created. Artificial intelligence will lead the long-term growth. Virtually every industry and every person will be impacted by artificial intelligence in the future. It has been the driving force behind the emerging technologies such as big data, robotics, IoT, and so on. And it will continue to do so in the foreseeable future. AI is drastically vital to our future because AI forms the basic foundation for computer learning. Through AI, computers can harness massive amounts of data and use their learned intelligence to make optimal decisions and discoveries in fractions of the time that it would take humans. The development of artificial intelligence is responsible for everything from medical breakthroughs in cancer research to cutting-edge climate change research. What are the applications of artificial intelligence? We find AI in content recommendation, for example. That means giving personalized content for users. We find this, for example, in marketing and online advertisements. In social media, AI supports in organizing and managing massive amount of data. The majority of the content you see and notifications are based on artificial intelligence. In marketing, the high-tech customer support are using, for example, chatbots, which is based on AI. In education, it aims to enhance the learning outcomes and to provide innovative teaching and learning. In healthcare, better and faster diagnosis than humans. DeepMind developed a system that can analyze retinal scans and spot symptoms of eye diseases. In finance, AI has the ability to predict the future. For example, Lumira Securities, which analyzes insights of experienced stock traders. In robotics, intelligent robots can take decisions and perform tasks based on their experiences and without pre-programming. We find AI also in many more and many more. So what are the skills that are required to be an AI specialist? If you want to become an AI specialist, there are some skills that you should have and others that you should acquire. So what are the technical skills that are required to be an AI specialist? We have, for example, programming languages such as Python, R, Java, linear algebra and statistics, signal processing techniques, and neural network architectures. Which non-technical skills do I need to have? First, communication and problem solving. AI engineers need to communicate correctly to pitch their products and ideas to stakeholders and various other parties. They should have also an excellent problem-solving skills to resolve decision-making obstacles and through helpful business insights. What degree should you pursue to be an AI specialist? Typically, a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related discipline is required for success in the field. A master's or doctorate may be necessary for more senior positions. To become an AI expert, you must focus on these aspects: AI development, AI architect, machine learning, data science, and business intelligence development. If you are looking to undertake this career path and want to study in Oman, you can opt for good institutions like Middle East College, which offers a data analyst pathway, German University of Science and Technology, the University of Nizwa, Majan University, and so on. You could also get a scholarship to undertake your studies in one of the public universities like Sultan Qaboos University or the University of Technology and Applied Sciences. On the other hand, there are many options if you want to study abroad. Some of the top institutions which teach artificial intelligence specializations are California Institute of Technology, Carnegie Mellon University, MS in Artificial Intelligence and Innovation, Columbia University, Cornell University, Georgia Institute of Technology, Harvard University, University of California, Berkeley, University of California, Los Angeles, University of Georgia, University of Illinois, University of Maryland, and the University of Michigan. While choosing an institute for your studies, it's essential to select one that supports students in getting internships and on-the-job trainings. This will get you closer to getting placed by the time and you complete your course. Remember that the technical skills in the industry keep changing from time to time, which means you must be a lifelong learner. Look for short courses to upskill and keep yourself updated. Being on the top of trends is extremely important. Good luck to all of you. I look forward to seeing you become a successful AI specialist.